Hey there, welcome to How To. Today I'll be showing you a few ways to create a screenshot on a Windows computer. The first way to create a screenshot is to use the print screen key on your keyboard. This will copy your whole screen or screens if you have multiple monitors to your clipboard. From there, you can paste the image into a Word document, PowerPoint, Microsoft Paint, Photoshop, or any program that accepts pasting images. We're going to go to Photoshop, File, New Image. It shows the document width and height from the clipboard. Create, Control V. Because I have multiple monitors, it shows all three monitors here. If you want to skip the step of pasting the screenshot into another program like Photoshop, you can use the Windows key plus print screen key to create the screenshot. Your screen will go dim for a second so you know that it worked. This will automatically save the screenshot to a subfolder in your Photos folder called Screenshots. To capture only the active window you're working in, press Alt and Print Screen. It will copy only that active window to the clipboard, but you will need to paste it into another program like Photoshop, Word, or MS Paint to save it. Alt, Print Screen. Let's go to Photoshop, File, New. It knows the dimensions of the screenshot we just took, so all we need to do is hit Create, Control V to paste it, and there we go. From there you can save it. The last method I'm going to show you is the Snip and Sketch tool. This is the best way to do screenshots on Windows in my opinion. To activate the Snip and Sketch tool, you're going to use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Shift plus S. Your screen will go dim and you'll have a little menu at the top. This menu lets you do rectangular snips, freeform snips. You can choose the active screen you want to screenshot, or do a full screenshot like we did in the beginning. I'm going to go with rectangular snip, and I'm going to draw a rectangle around this recipe. We see that it was saved to our clipboard. So now I'm going to go over to Photoshop, File, New. It knows the dimensions of the screenshot we just took, so we don't need to change that. Hit Create, and Control V. Now we can save this wherever we want. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you create some amazing screenshots. I'll see you next time.